Alright you guys, we're here today with the long-awaited game of Skate Roulette. We have Fetty, Troy, Daniel, myself, Gabe, and Luke. If you guys don't know what Skate Roulette is, it's a little bit of a card skateboarding game that we have. So basically you have a trick card, you draw the card, and it has a trick on it, and then you have to do the trick. If you want to add a little twist to it, we have a stance card, and you draw one of those and it can change the stance in which you have to do the trick. An obstacle card, which means you have to do the trick on an obstacle, or the weird card, which means you have to do it with some kind of like hands in your pocket, or do it with a weird nail board or something like that. The first person to collect 10 cards wins. Since there's a lot of people, if we run out of cards, the person with the most cards wins. Was that confusing at all?
No.
Because I feel like that was a lot.
And now we flip boards.
Oh, I need a skateboard for this.
Flipping boards, if you land primo, you win. If you land like this, you're second. Like this, you're dead last. Go. Primo! Troy, you're first. I'm second. You three get to go. Again.
No, mine floated. I win.
Fetty, you're last.
I'll get primo.
Troy is first, I'm second, Uzi is third, Luke is fourth, Fetty is last.
I think this is rigged.
See, Fetty's like immediately, I'm last, it's rigged. It's rigged.
It is.
So I guess we start with trick,
Yep.
right?
Start with trick.
Laser flip.
do
Come
you
on,
think?
come on.
Nose manual.
You can add a trick.
okay.
You can add a trick into it or out. Or stance, or obstacle.
What about weird?
Do a weird.
Should I go
weird.
weird?
That's fine. If you want to get weird with it.
Select an additional card.
Dang.
Let's go weird.
Troy wins first try.
No shoes.
Oh, you got 3 tries.
These 3 right there. Good thing I wore my super thick socks today. He's literally in my phone is that boy Troy. Three cards.
Early 3-0 start for everyone.
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna set these here for Troy and draw my card. It's a crook, great.
Yeah.
Crooking on the smallest box.
No one believes in me.
Dang, it's because Luke said I could do it and then I lost complete faith in myself. Can I be out yet? We put this at the bottom?
Yeah.
You're up.
Okay. Double flip.
Dang, why couldn't I have gotten that one?
I want to do this, but if I get a rail, then I'll be bummed.
You can just do it over it though.
Yeah.
3 set.
Oh,
You got 2 tries.
I forgot about that rule. You have as many tries as cards you draw. So he has 2 tries. Wow, I forgot about that. He fully went for that.
Darn.
Luke's going for 10 cards off the bat.
There you go, kick flip. Nope.
Do you want obstacle? Do you want weird?
Switch. Oh my god.
Gosh dang it.
I have a feeling it's laser flip.
50-50, damn you.
Obstacle.
Small box.
Wow.
Jeez.
Holding a second board. Dude, okay.
This is mess. This is mess.
You know what?
Oh god. Let me get this right. He has to do a backside 50-50 on the small box holding a second board. That's what Fetty drew. Are you freaking kidding me? Rebate. Best. Dang it.
That was excessive celebration.
Troy, you're up.
Troy could end us with 7 cards. Okay, I was gonna pick another trick because that was a combo. Now I'm gonna see if my decision was right.
Big reveal. Shove it.
Oh, thank goodness. You got it.
Fakey.
Fakey shove it.
Should I just stay with 2? Be smart?
No.
You know what? I'm just gonna play it safe and do a fake.
Troy smart.
Doesn't even say pop. Oh!
Troy is sitting comfortably at 5 cards, and us 3 have 0. Heel flip. I'll take it. Weird.
Bottle flip.
And pretzel.
Heel flip pretzel leg. This just isn't my day today. Literally just cross my legs first try and not even think about it. I can do it now. I know I can do it now. I want those 2 cards, even though there's only 2 cards. Oh man, I wanted that. All right, one more try just for the hell of it.
Wetzel's
Troy
pretzels.
said if I land it, he'll buy me Wetzel pretzel. Oh, okay, all right. The bad thing is that I didn't get a card. The good thing is that there's a new trick I get to learn.
Feeble. I could do weird, but
You like it blindfolded.
send it. Land 1-footed.
Oh.
I got that.
That is mess right there. That's not cool. All right, Luke, I'm rooting for you.
I'm rooting for you too.
Okay, thanks, guys.
Beat Troy, he wins everything.
5-0.
Oh. Oh no! Oh! All right, Fetty, pressure's on. Let's see if it really is rigged.
It's rigged.
Did he shuffled the trick pile, okay?
Push Mongo.
Go weird. Come on, go big or go home.
Braille drop.
Strange board.
Push Mongo. That's in there?
So nollie board slide.
You have to push Mongo. If you don't push Mongo, oh, I'm calling you out.
So what's a nollie board slide? Like nollie.
Yeah, like nollie up in a board slide. Yes. Pressure's on big time.
Oh man. It's more dangerous. So yeah.
Yes. One more try.
I have 8 now.
You have an 8? All right, you're up, Troy.
Trick. Ooh, tail slide.
Blindfolded. That's what I'm talking about.
What? Hang on. If he lands it, he wins a card from another player.
How is it even possible to land a blindfolded tail slide? Unless you do it on
Watch
this.
and see, Daniel. Oh, that's good. Can someone cue me? Like go now when I'm close?
Sure, I will be your cure.
Now.
That was actually really close. He went over the box by that much. He just needed a little bit closer.
And now.
Hey, I'll give him props for that. That was sick. If I have to do a laser flip, I think I'll break down and start crying. Tray flip. I'm taking that. Should I do it on an obstacle or just do it?
So.
How do I tray flip using 2 boards? I have an idea. If I mess this up, I'm sorry. It's the nerves. I'm freaking out right now, literally.
You're gonna be okay.
Why?
I know I'm gonna get screwed over right now. Everyone's got everything that's reasonable. Burial heel? Yep,
not bad.
I can't do those.
Oh.
I just hope I get stairs. Kicker? That's pretty hard. That's really hard.
Laser flip.
Fetty's gonna get the lead.
180.
You should definitely go weird.
Fakey 180.
3 times in a row.
Whoa, hold up. 2 additional tries. You get 5 tries to land 3 180s in a row.
Okay.
Fakey. Wow. Such a remarkable display of talent. Fetty. What is wrong with him? No, oh my god. Really? A no slide.
This is rigged.
What?
This is rigged.
Fetty!
I only need 2 cards to win.
My board was floating. I think the draw was rigged.
Fetty, you're out then. You won. So Fetty officially wins. He's out. So I guess we play for 2nd place, and then whoever gets 10 cards gets 2nd place, and then the video's over.
All right, here we
You
go.
get-
Ollie.
You could get an ollie kickflip because it's a combo.
Ollie hard flip.
Oh.
You should choose that one.
Oh, okay.
Push
regular.
But if you push regular and get switch, you got a combo. Then that's 4 tries for a
Fakey.
fakey hard flip.
Push regular, fakey, hard flip. 4 tries.
So he has 4 tries to land a fakey hard flip, but he has to push regular to get into the fakey hard flip, and then he would be at 9, and then potentially 1 turn away from winning. Wow.
Push regular. I think this might be too slow. Let's see. Here we go. Whoa, there's bumps there.
Heel flip. Why do I keep getting heel flip? full circle. I have land pretzel again. All right, I'm freaking landing it this time then. I have to summon my inner Carlos Lastra.
Kickflip. Okay, I'm gonna do obstacle. 5 set. Okay,
Ooh.
okay. Regular. Okay.
Do you have any cards yet?
Yeah, no, I don't.
Yeah! Well done. All right, come on, Luke. Come on, Luke. You got this. Big spin. Oh, stay there.
Fakey, come on, let's go fakey.
Ooh.
Switch.
Ooh.
Can't do this.
The final flip.
Satisfaction. Okay. Okay, let's do this.
Laser flip!
Wait. Stance. Are they usually front side?
Do it.
Oh yeah, technically that does count. No, if he just moves front side with the laser flip, it'd just be a big heel, wouldn't it? Oh. Yeah, so if you do a nollie big heel, that's fine.
Easy, right?
I think he's got this.
Well, that's my second try.
All right, someone's got to put this game away. Hard flip, God. Stance, nollie, obstacle, hubba, while drinking water. Piece of cake. Gulp, 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 gulp. Come on. Gulp, 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 gulp. Actually try to do a regular hard flip, that's scary. Regular heel flip. So regular heel flip.
Troy wins.
You can't
What's
heel.
wrong with you?
I can't heel flip.
Shoes tied together. You should have just went with regular heel flip. You don't have to do both.
I'm really gonna try.
This is death.
And have.
Burial heel, the large box. I'm worried for Luke's future children.
Well, I tried, okay?
Oh man, this game started great, and then Fetty just destroyed us, and now no one can do anything. We're getting the most ridiculous cards, and Fetty got, oh, let me push Mongo and do a freaking board slide on a rail. Let me push regular, do a nose slide. The salt is real, I'm mad.
All right, Troy, your turn.
Trick. Manual.
Go stance. Go stance. Go stance.
I could just take
No,
that one.
no, go stance.
Okay, fine. A regular
just,
manual.
Just take that. Just
Why
take
couldn't
that.
I get a regular manual?
Yeah. No, don't do that.
No,
It's
don't
garbage.
go weird. Regular manual.
You're in the lead right now. You'll have 7, and then you'll only need 3.
That was not a manual. Fetty, all right, give me the advice here.
Well, you gotta pick a trick.
Okay, I know I have to pick a trick, but I need like your luck or something.
It's not me.
I'll give you good luck.
If I get crooked grind.
See, you're so negative because you're not believing the heart of the cards.
I believed in that one. I just don't believe in myself.
All right, Dana. Believe in the heart of the cards.
Laser flip.
Smith grind.
Oh.
Whatever.
Going.
Oh.
What card is that?
I don't know.
Pick it up. Find out.
Oh, you're chilling.
That's so lame. Just try one try.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna
Yes.
win it.
I'll go home now.
Feeble grind. I don't really want to choose anything else. Yeah, I'll just take it.
Troy's at 8. I'm at 2. Daniel's at 6. Luke's
Don't
at
put
3.
him
I'm
in
in
your
dead last. I need to come back.
No.
Heel flip.
Yes.
Just stance. Believe.
I believe! What is it? Just tell me. I don't want to know.
Regular. Dude.
Oh, God.
got 2 tries
God
for
is
heel
real.
flip.
God is real. I'm so freaking mad. Well, the good thing is that I'm not last anymore.
Ollie.
We'll get the combo.
Crook. That was the weirdest.
Hit me. Just go for it.
That was freaking awesome. All right, well, Daniel has taken a quick lead. Daniel has 9, Troy has 8, I have 4, and Luke has 3.
Big spin again.
You want to risk it
Fakey,
again.
fakey, 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 fakey.
Wow.
You got so lucky right there.
Found it. Yep. Taking those cards.
Dang. Now I'm last again. Troy, you
this
can
side.
get the W right here.
You need 2 cards.
Me too.
Not laser flip, please. Tail slide.
Oh. Ooh.
No, just do tail slide.
Hands in pockets.
Oh! You can do that.
Oh yeah.
See, hands in your pockets is all fun and game until you slam and you just.
One more try.
Yeah, one more try.
Okay.
You got it. One more try, Troy. You got this.
You got this, Gabe. Believe.
Double flip. I will take that.
Just take it.
Weird.
If you want to do it on 2x4 nail board or
Strange board. Hell yeah, I'll take that. Never done a single trick on this thing. I literally use this solely for filming. Being able to double flip on it first try should work out just fine. That was freaking sketch.
All right, Daniel. You need 1 card. Heel flip. Just take it.
I was gonna say we have a winner, and then I remembered that Fetty won like an hour ago. We have a 2nd place winner. Oh wow. Daniel, collect your final card, my friend. And in a landslide, we have Fetty in 1st place. Well done, wow. And in 2nd place, we have Daniel. In 3rd place, we have Troy. 4th place, me, and then 5th place is Luke.
No.
Fetty has become victorious once again. And this is your best game, right? Like your
Yeah.
most won game.
Yeah.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below, and let us know what people you would like to see play Skate Roulette next. Check out all the playlists of other Skate Roulette videos, and we will see you next time tomorrow.